personalize your Windows 11 experience, I'll show you how to change and customize your cursor, adding a touch of personality to your digital workspace. Press Win plus R to open settings. Select Accessibility, then Mouse Settings and Touch. Click on the last mouse pointer and select a custom color from the options. Hit the search icon, type Mouse Settings, and click Open. Click on Additional Mouse Settings. Navigate to the Pointers tab in the Mouse Properties window that pops up. Click on the drop-down menu under Scheme and select an option you prefer. Select Apply, then click on OK to save changes. Hit the search icon, type Mouse Settings, and click Open. Click on Additional Mouse Settings. Navigate to the Pointer Options tab in the Mouse Properties window that pops up. Under Motion, hover the mouse to a speed of your preference. Also, click the checkbox next to Enhance Pointer Precision to stabilize the cursor. Hit the search icon, type Mouse Settings, and click Open. Click on Additional Mouse Settings. Navigate to the Pointers tab. Under Customize, scroll down until you find an icon of your liking. If you don't like the provided options, click on Browse. This will take you to a pack of downloaded cursors. You can now select an option, go back then click on Apply, and OK to save the changes.